Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Have you all revised whatever we have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Lot of disturbance from the back, please. Put yourself on audio.
लक्षित अपना माइक बंद कर। मैम सिलेबस हो गया कंफर्म तो बता दो।
1 and 2 chapter, beta.
मैम 1 and 2।
Yes.
Ma'am, only 1 and 2?
Yes.
Hi.
22 children. Daily, only 22 children are coming to the class. Why? They are continuous, regular absentees. Divesh Varmani is not here.
Ma'am, अभी आप क्या
Harshabad is not here. Is Divyansh Chakraval here? No.
मैम है दिव्यांश।
Divyansh है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Harshabad is not here. I am calling out the name of the children who are not here. Lakshit is here.
Ma'am, yes, present.
Asad is not here.
Ma'am.
Mokshika is not here.
मैम मुझे को डाउट्स पूछने हैं।
एक मिनट बेटा. Nikhil is here. Nikhil is not here. Prachi is not here. Raghav Sharma is not there. Ravi Taroda is not here. Sohan Das. Swamita is also not joined today.
Ma'am, I am here. Ma'am, Ravit.
Ravit is here.
Ma'am,
एक मिनट.
ma'am.
Ravit is here. Then Ragini is not here. हाँ जी बोलो हार्दिक.
मैम मैं एक बार ना मैम मेरे फोन में चार्जिंग कम है तो मैम अपने टैब से ज्वाइन कर रहा हूँ, मैम उससे ले लो, मैं इससे लीव कर दूंगा।
ठीक है बेटा जल्दी करो लेकिन हाँ मैं लॉक करने वाली हूँ ना।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
हाँ बेटा
मैम मेरे पास एक पहले से रजिस्टर जो स्कूल का मैंने अभी तक उसका किया, मैम मैथ्स का काम उसमें कर रहा है, मैम वो खत्म होने वाला है, तो मैम मैं नोटबुक में करूँ स्कूल की या फिर मैम बाजार
स्कूल की नोटबुक में कर लो, स्कूल की नोटबुक में कर लो।
ओके मैम। मैम जो कल आपने कहा था ना कि 4.2 एक्सरसाइज पूरी करनी है, तो मैम उसमें एक क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मैम रोम्बस का।
Wait. Yesterday we had class, no we did not have, ना? Yesterday we did not have class, ना?
कल थी
तो सी मैम थी, क्या हो गया देव? कल थी
मैथ्स की नहीं थी कल।
Yesterday we did not have maths class. I hope everybody has joined, all those who had to join. I can see only 25 children. Now, first of all, I want to ask you people, we have done two type of construction. In first construction, all the 4 sides and 1 diagonal was given. In second construction, 3 sides and 2 diagonals were given. First, you tell me, is there anybody who has queried any of these parts, these types? किसी को कोई इनमें से दिक्कत है बेटा, किसी में भी एक में भी कंस्ट्रक्शन करने में?
मैम उसमें रोम्बस में है मैम 2 सेकंड, मैम उसमें 2 डायगोनल 3 सेट देते हैं मैम, वो 4.2 एक्सरसाइज में रोम्बस का है मैम, उसमें दोनों डायगोनल दिए हुए थे।
मैम मुझको कुछ पूछना था, डाउट है।
एक मिनट, हाँ बोलो देव, जोर से बोलो बेटा, आवाज नहीं आ रही मेरे पास।
ओके मैम,
माइक
मुझे
लगा के
पूछना
बोलो,
है।
माइक लगा के बोलो।
मैं माइक लगाया हुआ है।
हाँ बोलो बेटा,
मैम मुझे पूछ
नाउ आई कैन हियर यू।
मैम एक्सरसाइज 4.2 में एक रोम्बस बनाना है मैम, उसमें मैम दोनों डायगोनल दिए हुए हैं, डायगोनल की
हाँ
मेजर तो कैसे बनेगा?
हाँ, I'll tell you. I can just, I'll just telling you verbally first, then try out. If नहीं होगा तो मैम ऐसा कुछ करके कंस्ट्रक्ट करती है, वीडियो बना के आपको भेजेंगे खुद का कंस्ट्रक्ट करके, ठीक है? पहले आपको मैम एक्सप्लेन कर रही है
Okay, ma'am.
verbally. First what we will do is we will draw a straight line, diagonals draw करेंगे, एक diagonal draw करेंगे, जो कोई भी एक diagonal draw करेंगे, okay? Draw any one diagonal, then draw perpendicular bisector. Do you remember to draw perpendicular bisector?
Yes.
Bisect the given diagonal. Then second diagonal को half करेंगे, second diagonal को half करेंगे, और wherever this perpendicular bisector meet, वहां से above and below arc लगाएंगे half. You'll get the two other points. I'll show you. Either I'll make a video of it, or I'll try to send some video for you to make you understand better. Okay, Dev? Dev, am I clear, beta?
ओके मैम।
Others?
मैम
Yes.
मैम कल जो आपने एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन भेजे थे ना मैम,
हाँ।
उसमें एंगल वाला था मैम, एंगल वाला आपने कराया ही नहीं।
कोई नहीं, एंगल वाला गलती से चला गया, एंगल वाला नेक्स्ट टाइम कर लेंगे आप, कोई बात नहीं। एंगल वाला अभी
Okay,
स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं हम। दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू, इन दो टाइप्स में इज देयर एनीबॉडी हु हैज एनी काइंड ऑफ क्वेरी, एनी काइंड ऑफ डिफिकल्टी, और आई शुड
No, ma'am.
रिपीट, और डू यू नीड मी टू रिपीट एनी ऑफ द टू वीडियोस?
डैडी ये
No.
मतलब
Case 1, case 2.
एक्सरसाइज
Children, please reply me. You will not talk to your parents right now. Yes. Case 1, case 2. Are you all able to construct the quadrilaterals now?
yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All those who are present here in the class, did they construct the quadrilaterals in the class with me last time, in last classes?
यस
Okay.
ma'am.
Can I move to the next type of construction then?
यस
ma'am.
Ma'am.
यस
Third case, can we
Ma'am.
start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll send you
Ma'am.
video for rhombus. Don't worry.
मैम एक्सरसाइज 4.2
मैम
का
हमें
कोई
एनसीईआरटी के सारे
सारा समझ
बेटा,
मैम हमें
Exercise-
एनसीईआरटी के सारे
क्वेश्चन 1 का
Question.
सेकंड पार्ट समझ नहीं आ रहा।
can you all see this? Can you
मैम
all
हमें
see the
एनसीईआरटी के सारे
PPT? हाँ जी, NCERT I have mentioned now. I sent the work yesterday. I mentioned that you have to do.
मैम ये क्लियर नहीं आ रहा।
Nobody is able to see.
मैम यस आई कैन सी।
क्लियर आ रहा है
क्या मैम का?
So there is some network issue at your side. What you can do is you can check on web browser using the site fast.com. You can check your net, the power of the whatever net connection you have. You come to know speed of the net. Yes. Right third case. Right third case, beta. This is little, now we are moving from easier to difficult. Now angles will come in cross. Angles will come across. Angle part is little difficult than the previous two type of constructions. पहले वाली कंस्ट्रक्शन में आपको सिर्फ साइड्स सिर्फ कंपास से मेजरमेंट्स करके साइड ही ड्रॉ करनी थी। अब आएगा थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट जब एक एंगल भी आने शुरू हो जाएंगे। 3 एंगल्स आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे। राइट डाउन दिस केस।
मैम इसमें प्रोटेक्टर के नहीं उड़ेगी?
Protector and compass both, depending on the
Okay, ma'am.
angle. If the angle can be made, if the angle is a I can say multiple of 15, you will draw with compass only. If it is not multiple of 15, you will use protector. Why I have to tell every time that you have to keep your video on? Have you written the third case?
मैम no.
Please note down third case.
मैम कर लिया नोट।
I will start with the video first. I find that is more convenient if I start with the video first. I'll show you with the video first. Afterwards, we will construct this one. I think video will help guide you better. How can we go for it? Wait. I'm just copying down the, I'm just showing you the video.
रूखे बने हाथों की नमी लौटा कर रखे उनका ख्याल.
Then two edges.
Now, children, are you all able to see the video on the screen?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Wait. I'll share the screen again. I hope now you all can see. Children, can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's see the construction. First video, then I'll explain you also.
Sides and 3 angles are known.
Here,
Now, let us
here are 2 adjacent sides. 2 continuation में sides दी होंगी आपको और 3 angles दिए होंगे. देखो कैसे construct करते हैं.
construct a quadrilateral whose lengths of 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are known. MORE is a quadrilateral such that the adjacent measure MO is equal to 6 cm, OR is equal to 4.5 cm, and the 3 angles measure angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle O is equal to
I will show it twice. Once you see how it's constructed, then we will draw one by one, step by step.
Let us
Okay, as
first
we
draw
did
a
last
rough
time.
sketch of this quadrilateral.
This rough sketch is very important. Let me explain you. MO is 6. So we drew MO as a base. OR is 4.5. This side, they have drawn OR 4.5. Then angle M is mentioned as 60 degree here. Angle O is mentioned as 105 degree here. And angle R is mentioned as 105. Is there anybody who has any query in this rough sketch?
No.
Okay, let
No,
me
ma'am.
just, can we continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Label
Okay.
it and write the dimensions. Let us now construct the quadrilateral. Draw MO is equal to 6 cm. Now draw a ray OX making an angle MOR equal to 105.
They have not constructed with the help of
Ray
compass.
OX.
You are going to construct with the help of compass only. I am saying they have drawn it with protector, but you will draw with compass. 105 can be drawn with compass. It will lie between 90 and 120. पता है ना आपको 90 और 120 के बीच में होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम तुम प्रोटेक्टर से नहीं बना सकते?
नहीं प्रोटेक्टर से नहीं बना सकते.
भाई कंपास ही बनाना है.
ओनली कंपास. अगर अभी नहीं है तो अभी प्रोटेक्टर से बना लो, लेकिन दोबारा अगर अभी नहीं है तो आप अभी बना लो बस. अदरवाइज वी विल ड्रॉ ओनली विद कंपास. कंपास तो है सबके पास. कंपास तो है. कंपास से ही ड्रॉ करना है.
Mark this point as R. Now, also as angle R, so it is given
the voice is
angle
not-
M is equal to 60 degrees. So, we make an angle of 60 degrees at M. Now, mark the intersection of these two rays as E.
Don't worry. We are going to start it again. And now this time you are going to construct also side by side. Write the question. I'm just showing you again.
A quadrilateral whose lengths of 2 adjacent sides and 3 MORE
Ma'am,
is
question
a quadrilateral such that the adjacent measure MO is equal to 6 cm, OR is equal to 4.5 cm, and the 3 angles measure angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle O is equal to 105 degree, and angle R is equal to 105 degree. Let us first draw a rough sketch of this quadrilateral.
Draw till here बेटा, पहले इतना करो. Complete till here. Complete till here.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if we draw a simple quadrilateral and mark it accordingly, so will it be wrong?
No. The problem is that जो whatever sides are given, that has to be on the base. ये base होना चाहिए ना, तो it will only guide you. Rough sketch you can draw even twice, thrice to understand कि हम draw कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे. Rough sketch का purpose ही यही है, it will guide you for the next steps. Okay? We cannot draw in any order. We cannot draw. Only here possibility can be that you can take OR as base. सिर्फ एक possibility है कि आप OR base ले लो. यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान रखना है, उस side को base लोगे जिसके दोनों angles मालूम है आपको. You cannot take ER as base. You cannot take EM as base. You can either take MO as base or you can take OR as base. Nothing else. Okay? Two possibilities are there. Two possibilities are there. बेटा आप लोगों ने वीडियो ऑफ क्यों कर लिया अपने आप से? Have you written the question and drew? Have you all drawn rough sketch?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
1 minute.
करो बेटा, take your time. I am not moving fast. I am not going to move fast. This chapter is not that easy teaching online. Otherwise, you all can try out yourself also online. You will just डाल के देखना स्वामिता. You just try out construction of rhombus. You'll come to know. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
एक और बात भी आपको have to tell you something very important. पहले आप ये करो. Last में I talk to you. That should be moved next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first is
Quadrilateral. Label it and write the dimensions. Let us now construct the quadrilateral. Draw MO is equal to 6 centimeter.
step by step. I am waiting. लिखो step भी लिखते जाओ बेटा और करते भी जाओ. ये step के लिए दोबारा दिखा देंगे आपको, पहले construct कर लो. MO 6 centimeter का construct करो. Construct MO of 6 centimeter. Construct MO of 6 centimeter. Construct MO of 6 centimeter. Now, at O, using compass, draw 105.
Now draw a ray OX making an angle MOR equal to 105.
Step will be changed here. You'll write only here, make an angle of 105 at O. Step is fine, but you will construct with the help of, you're going to construct with the help of compass.
Ma'am, can you, ma'am, आप बाद में steps दिखा दोगे?
हाँ, बाद में steps दिखा दूंगी. Don't worry. I'll show you the steps. I'll show you the steps. First construct angle O 105. I'll guide you. I'll try to recapitulate how we are going to construct. पहले 90 draw करो, 120 का आर्क लगाओ, and then 90 and 120 in between bisect. You will get 105. Bisect 90 and 120, you will get 105.
मैम ये 135 डिग्री डी से बना लें.
नहीं, डी से नहीं बनाना. बी से नहीं बनाना बेटा।
मैम हो गया इतना स्टेप।
ओके
मैम अब इसी
Saksham, show
तरीके से
your
ऊपर
work.
एक्स
Saksham, show your work.
हम दिखाता हूँ।
Ma'am, I have also done.
Swamita, you also show. You can show to others. I'll pin your video.
ठीक है।
Ma'am, I have also done.
Any one of you can show me. Very good. You all can see I'm pinning a video. Can you all see Swamita's work? This way you are going to construct. Very good. Children, can you all see?
मैम नहीं दिख रहा, मैम ब्लैक सा आ रहा है।
नहीं बेटा, it's very clear. I can see very beautifully.
मैम यहाँ पे ब्लैक सा दिखा हुआ है, कुछ ब्लैक स्क्वायर्स बने हुए हैं।
Wait. I'll show it again afterwards. Don't worry. I'll show it again.
Degrees
Once we are
at
done.
both
सक्षम का भी अच्छा लग
and
रहा है।
OR is equal to 4.5 centimeter on the ray O.
Now we have to put an arc. Now we have to put an arc from O of 4.5. जो आपने रे ड्रॉ की थी एंगल वाली, वहीं पर 4.5 का एक आर्क लगाएंगे. Draw an arc. Draw an arc.
मैम कर लिया।
I'm muting you all. There's some disturbance at the back. आग लगा बेटा? Were you able to draw arc?
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
OX. Mark this point as R.
This point is R. Now this point is R.
Now, also
Here again shift your notebook, turn your notebook and again construct same 105 with compass. Construct 105 with compass. Construct 105 with compass.
मैम ये ठीक है?
हाँ जी बेटा ठीक है, वेरी गुड, परफेक्ट,
मैम पूरा ही बना लिया इतनी देर में।
वेरी गुड.
मैंने भी बना लिया।
Good. I'm really happy that my children are still coping and still trying to learn at this point of time. Otherwise, this chapter was very difficult to teach online. Good.
मैम ऑनलाइन उल्टा ज्यादा समझ आता है।
चलो बहुत अच्छी बात है। चलो जी, हमने 105 ड्रॉ किया।
बना लिया। मैं दिखाऊं?
अभी दिखाएंगे बेटा। सक्षम, I will show. Don't worry. Last में ना, I'll just change the view and very good. I can see, others are not able to see. I will show them again in gallery view. In this view they cannot see. Okay? Because I am sharing the screen, they cannot see right now. Now,
as angle R is 105 degrees, so we make an angle of 105 degrees at R. Also, it is given that
third angle now we have to draw from M, 60 degree. और जहाँ पे दोनों लाइंस मीट, जहाँ पे दोनों लाइंस मीट करेंगी वो E बन
angle
जाएगा.
M is equal to 60 degrees. So, we make an angle of
Wait,
60
beta,
degrees at M. Now, mark the intersection of these two rays as E. So, MORE is the
So children, those who are constructing, please construct and let me know, then I will show you the steps again. You will write the steps also side by side. I will show you the steps again.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Should I show you the steps now, beta?
Ma'am, 1
Excuse me,
minute.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम जब ओवर से मैम 4.5 की आग लगाई थी मैम, उसके बाद से मैम वापस दिखा दो मैम, थोड़ा सा छूट गया था।
हाँ जी, कोई बात नहीं, I'll show you again. I'll show you.
कोई बात नहीं, हम बोलेंगे तो।
मैम क्लियरली नहीं दिख रही स्क्रीन।
यहाँ से आपने दोबारा से again you are going to make 105.
Mark this point as R. Now, Also, as angle R is 105 degrees, so we make an angle.
यहाँ पर आप देव दोबारा से 105 कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे यूजिंग कंपास,
मैम इन्होंने तो सारे डी से बनाए, हमें तो कंपास ही बनाया है जो 15 के ट्वेल्व में आते हैं।
है बेटा?
मैम इन्होंने तो सारे एंगल बनाए हैं, वो तो इन्होंने तो प्रोटेक्टर से बनाए हैं।
बेटा दिस इज अ
मैम, तो
वीडियो,
हम तो-
दिस इज रेडीमेड वीडियो, बट आई हैव टू टीच यू इन द वे आई एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम यू पीपल, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम
मैम
वेटिंग।
देखो मैम मैंने भी बना दिया।
वेरी गुड, यस आई कैन सी, गुड गुड। I always enjoy teaching this class, always. Dev, should I move next?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle of 105 degrees at R. Also, it is given
Then third angle from M.
that
60
angle
degree.
M is equal to 60 degrees.
And
Ma'am,
wherever
I have
these
made-
two will meet, that will be E.
So, we make an angle of 60 degrees at M. Now, mark
Okay,
the
ma'am, समझ गया।
intersection of these two rays as E.
Now, children, do you want to write the steps? If you have missed out the steps, I will show it again one by one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this time you're only writing steps now. First step लिखो बेटा. First step, draw a line segment MO is equal to 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment MO is equal to 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment MO is equal to 6 centimeter.
And next one.
Next,
Now, draw a ray OX, making an angle.
you just write this. Make an angle of 105 degree at O. We are not describing the steps of angles because we expect class 8 child knows how to draw angles. So I am not describing the way you are making 105. We are simply writing. Yes?
We have to make, ma'am, we have to make arrows at the end of the line.
Yes, we normally make.
Ma'am, but in this video they are not.
It is there. They are not shown, but we do. Make an angle of 105 at O. Make an angle of 105 at O. Right, second step. Have you written, beta? Should I show you next step?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
MOR O and R is equal to 4.5.
Third step, with O as a center and radius 4.5 centimeter, we mark an arc on the ray OX. With O as a center and radius 4.5 centimeter, we mark an arc on the ray OX. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next.
5 centimeter on the ray OX. Mark this point as R. Now, also as angle R is 100.
Next step is make an angle of 105 at R. Make an angle of 105 at R. बेटा हम एंगल्स वाले बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे because they are quite a little difficult. We'll do
हम
many
आसान है
questions.
ये 7th में भी करवाई थी हमने।
चलो देखते हैं. Make an angle of 105 degree at R.
Ma'am, next.
105 degrees. So, we make an angle of 105 degrees at R. Also,
Now write, make an angle of 60 degree at M. Make an angle of 60 degree at M. Make an angle of 60 degree at M.
Ma'am,
It is given that angle M is equal to 60 degrees. So we
Last line is thus MORE is the
मैम यही लिखेंगे
required.
join. मैम यही
ज्वाइन नहीं
लिखेंगे
करना ना,
join
एंगल ड्रॉ
M
करते ही
to E.
आपका अपने आप ज्वाइन हो गया.
ओके मैम.
MORE is the required quadrilateral with MO is 6 centimeter. No need to write the last thing, only write thus MORE is the required quadrilateral.
हम लास्ट लाइन ही लिखनी है एंगल एम इज
मैम मेरे को बस आपसे एक ही चीज पूछनी है कि मैम जो आपने कल वो गूगल क्लासरूम पे भेजा था ना कि एक्सरसाइज 4.1 और 4.2 करनी है हमें.
हाँ जी.
मैम जो उसमें से आप ये भी एग्जांपल लिखवा रहे हो ये केस 1 केस 2 करके, मैम अगर उसके अंदर डायमेंशन सेम है तो हम वाला क्वेश्चन छोड़ दें करें?
हाँ छोड़ दो. अगर सेम क्वेश्चन, आई थिंक फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सेम.
मैम यस.
Yes, you can, because that question we have already done in the class.
मैम तो छोड़ देना फिर वो.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
मैम एक्सरसाइज 4.3.
Now I want to check your work if you have done. Can I stop sharing?
मैम यस कर दिया. मैम
Everybody has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children, show me your work one by one. Saksham is showing. Let me show to all. Let me show it to all. Yes, this is fine. 105 this side, 105 this side, 60 this side. Can you all see Saksham's work?
यस मैम.
Very good.
Ma'am, no
Saksham, very
mind.
good. Okay, I am pinning him. Now, next child. Next child. I'll show everybody's work. I'll show everybody's work. Don't worry. This is Bhavya's work. Bhavya, this angle has to be rotate round. जो आपने straight बनाया ना 90 में बनाते हैं बेटा ये shape. Okay, गोल ही बनाना, round बनाना. ठीक है? Okay, Divyansh. I am showing Divyansh work. Okay, good. Next. Bhavya shows. I have shown. Riyansh, I am showing now. Riyansh, correct. Riyansh, take this M से जो आपने रे ड्रॉ की थोड़ा लॉन्ग ड्रॉ करो बेटा. Take it little longer, okay? Take it
Okay,
little
ma'am.
longer. Take it little longer. Hardik showed me earlier also. Fine, very good. Okay. Whose work is left out? Hardik I have shown. Somita's I have shown. I think Somita, wonderful. Very good.
मैम
Very
प्रभुर वेब.
Sweetie, have you? Hardik, I have shown yours. Sakshi, show me your work. Hardik, I have seen yours. Riyansh, I have seen yours. हाँ जी ठीक है. Nija, show me your work. Sweetie, show me your work. Children, why are you leaving without my permission? You can't leave the class without my permission. I'm going to mark these children absent.
मैम यस 20 बच्चे रह गए खाली.
There were 25. You can't leave your class because I am asking for the work. Ansh, show me your work. Dev, show me your work. Dev, show me your work. Jaskirat, show me your work. Kanak, show me your work. I want to show it to everybody also. Okay, Jaskirat is showing. Let me just see. ऊपर करो बेटा, थोड़ा सा कॉपी ऊपर करो. Jaskirat, थोड़ी सी. 660 you have drawn without compass. No, 105 is wrong. 105 is not correct. Okay, Saksham, you share again afterwards. Now something important I want to talk to you. Listen carefully, all of you. You all are going to make study buddy group. Study buddy means like here. Like 1, roll number 2, 3 and 4 will be in one group. 5, 6, 7, 8 will be in second group. 9, 10, 11, 12 will be in third group, like this. You all are going to share each other's work on your own. Make a WhatsApp group and you can talk to each other, you can make WhatsApp video calls, and you can share your work. This chapter cannot be done only with me. For every chapter I want all class work, all homework to be shared with each other, and you all have the responsibility to get the work completed. All 4 should have the same work, and there should not be any kind of resistance or any kind of hesitation in between the group members to ask each other. सब एक दूसरे की help करेंगे and get your work completed. If you have any query, you can ask me also next time. Ma'am, this group has this query. Am I clear, children?
ग्रुप आप बनाओगे, हम बनाएंगे?
आप अपने आप बनाओगे. रोल नंबर वाइज मैंने बता दिया ना. First 4, next 4, next 4, next 4. We have been told to tell you this, and I find it is very helpful. है बेटा?
मैम ग्रुप में आपको भी ऐड करना है?
No. I am not required. I want to study. The name is study buddy groups. Means they all are becoming buddy of each other to help their study. Okay? 3 or 4 of you are buddies of each other to help each other. There should not be any kind of hesitation at all. हाँ जी, साक्षी बोल रहे हैं कुछ?
देव मैंने बना दिया. देव मैंने ग्रुप बना दिया.
Bhavya is saying something. हाँ, रोल नंबर
वाइज करना जरूरी है.
हाँ, रोल नंबर वाइज करो. रोल नंबर वाइज करो. ठीक है? अब आप चारों की ड्यूटी होगी कि आप चारों का काम, जैसे आपके अकुल, अमन और अंश हैं. They have the responsibility of each other that their work is complete. So अभी हमने क्लास में, हाँ जी,
अंश हमारे ग्रुप में
फर्स्ट 4 है ना बेटा? हाँ, फर्स्ट 4 आपके अकुल.
ये बता दो 20 नाम.
हाँ जी
मैम, एक बार ये बताओ कि 26, 27 और 28 किस किस?
बेटा, you can't count. Let me tell you then. Akib, Akul, Aman, Ansh is one group. Next is Bhavya, Dev, Divesh, Divyansh, second group. Hardik, Harshabad, Jaskirat, Kanaksud, fourth group. Lakshit, Mohammed Asad, Mokshika, next group. Nija, Nikhil, Prabnoor, Prachi, next group. Raghav, Ragini, Ravit, Riyansh, next group. Saksham, Sakshi, Sneha, Sohan, next group. Then last can be 5 then. No, there are 6, कोई बात नहीं. Next can be 6 only. Somita, 5 है. Somita, Sweetie, Vaibhav, Pranav, 4 ही है बेटा. Perfect. We got 4. 8 groups we are getting. Okay? It will help you a lot. Did you all enjoy today's class?
32 students.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all enjoy today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood everything?
Yes.
Thank you. God bless you all.